excited to announce that the Leo Crowd platform is now live and ready to accept campaigns. If you head over to leocrowd.com, you will find the crowdfunding platform up, live and running. And in addition to that, we now have a crowdfunding e-learning course which will be launching this week. What makes Leo Crowd particularly unique is our crowdfunding e-course. So if you go onto the site, you'll find that we have an 8-module course which runs through everything you'll need to know about how to set up a crowdfunding campaign and successfully fund it. Each one of the modules has a video and a downloadable PDF to help you work through it in your own time at your own pace. A lot of the things that we'll be covering will be how to successfully write a business plan and strategy so that you have a very good idea of what it is you're trying to achieve. The next thing we run through is how to plan your capital raise and spend, how to film an excellent crowdfunding video, and how to build your tribe of backers to support your project and successfully fund your campaign. So if you head over to leocrowd.com now, you can have a play with the site, see what's out there, sign up to start your campaign, and then in your own time work through the course.